Just one more point I want to say. That there's a very nice proverb. Very, very nice proverb. Listen to this. Very nice. For one who believes, no explanation is necessary. And for one who doesn't believe, no explanation is possible. So the keynote here, the requirement is Shraddha. If we don't have belief in Shastra and God and all the statements of Shastra, that's absolute truth, perfect, infallible, then no amount of explanation is possible. Because there's another expression we say in America: a man convinced against his will is of the same opinion still. So he's a Gnostic. He's an atheist. And you preach, oh, you should accept Shastra, it's Shabda Brahman, it's absolute truth, it's flawless, it's perfect, it's transcendental, it will help you, it will benefit you. So you preach with logic, you do pravachan with logic, with reason, with Shastra Praman and basis and practical experience of this gentleman and yourself. And he says, yes, it makes sense what you say, and it's very logical and very reasonable, and I've also experienced what you say. But you know what I think? I don't believe it. I still don't believe it, because I met thousands of people like this in my 35 years of pravachan. You explain with perfect logic and reason, not Shastra, logic, reason, experience, pratyaksha, anuman, naya, pratyaksha, experience. And then after all that, he says, yes, Swamiji, it makes sense what you say. It seems correct. I really can't. I say, can you argue my points? Can you debate with me? Can you refute what I've said? No, Swamiji. It's a flawless argument. It's very reasonable, logical. And you're just touching on scripture. My mind accepts it. And I appreciate your concern and your compassion. But, I don't believe it. This is Kali Yuga. We keep preaching though, and nevertheless. So that's the proverb. For one who believes, a Shraddhavan, it's called Shraddhavan, Vishwasvan. Shraddhavan means one who possesses belief. Shraddha. Bhagavan ka Shraddha. Bhagavan ka Vishwas. He believes in the reality of God. God exists. I am his part and parcel. Mevam cho jivaloke jiva bhuta sanatana mana shastrani indriyani prakriti sani karshati. Krishna says in Gita, I believe it. Shukamuni says it, I believe it. Vyasadeva says it, I believe it. It's absolute truth. I have confidence. I have love. I have submission. I accept it. I follow it. That is called a Vishwas Jana. That's called Shraddhavan. He possesses true faith. Not nowadays, what do people have faith in? I don't believe in God. I believe in money. Money is my God.